warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Aulia Salsabia from Nusa Putra University. Here, I want to presentation material about analysis of the influence of economic factor on food purchasing decisions. This study aims to analyze the influence of economic factor on food purchasing decision. The economic factor considered in this study include price, income, and inflation. In an ever-evolving market dynamic, consumer purchasing decisions are becoming a key element in companies' business strategies, especially in the grocery sector. Economic factors play a central role in shaping consumer preference and behavior, creating unique challenges and opportunities for industry players. Food purchasing decisions are a crucial aspect of people's daily life. The dynamic behind these decisions are not only influenced by individual preferences, but also by economic factors that create the purchasing framework. Here are some factors that influence purchasing decisions, including: the first is inflation. Inflation plays a significant role in affecting consumer purchasing power. When the inflation rate is high, food prices tend to rise, which can reduce people's purchasing power. The second is consumer income. Consumer income is a major factor that influences the extent to which individuals can purchase food. An increase in income tends to increase purchasing power, while a decreased income can have the opposite effect. The third is food price. Fluctuating food price and affect consumer choice. High or unstable price may prompt consumers to seek alternatives or change their purchasing preference. And finally, there is general economic foundation. Overall economic conditions, such as economic growth or recession, can play a role in shaping consumer perception of their financial security. This can influence whether they tend to choose more affordable or luxury grocery products. An analysis of the complex relationship between these factors is expected to provide better insight into the dynamics of food purchasing decisions in an ever-changing economic context. By understanding the influence of economic factors, stakeholders can adopt more appropriate policies and strategies in the face of challenges and opportunities in the grocery market. For this research, the method I used was the technique of collecting data from the internet and then analyzing it. Online data search. The online data search method is the process of searching and collecting information from online search a website, database, electronic journal, and other sources available on the internet. Some commonly used online data search methods are search engines, online database, official website, institutional repositories, electronic journal, and social media. Economic and consumer are two concepts that are closely related in the context of economic activity. Previously, I will first explain what economics and consumer are. Economics is the study of how people accumulate limited resources to fulfill their needs and wants. In general, this economy has a definition as a science that studies how humans meet their needs by using available resources. All forms of the human efforts in meeting the needs of life in order to get the welfare of life involves analyzing the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. To understand how policies, business decisions, and individual action affect the allocation of resources and distribution of their outcomes. The second is consumer. Consumer is referred to individuals or households that use goods and services to fulfill personal needs and wants. Consumers play an important role in the economy as buyers and users of goods and services. The process by which consumers make purchasing choices based on preference, budget, and other considerations. When these two concepts are intertwined, we can see that consumer decisions play an important role in economic activity. Consumers who are active in choosing and buying goods and services affect market demand, which in turn affect production and research allocation in the economy. So, we can conclude that based on the result of data collection regarding the analysis of the economic influence of consumer and purchasing decisions, it can be concluded that economic factors have a significant influence of purchasing decisions for food products. These factors include consumer income, food product price, inflation. Consumers tend to adjust their preference and purchasing behavior to existing economic conditions. However, it is important to remember that economic conditions can change over time, and other factors such as personal preference, product quality, and nutritional needs can also influence consumer purchasing decisions. So, maybe that's all I can say on this occasion. I apologize if there are many shortcomings in my material. I also apologize if there are many errors in pronunciation of words. Thank you and see you again.